Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C tablets for hair growth. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps your body produce collagen, a vital protein for strong, healthy hair. It also protects your hair follicles from damage caused by free radicals, which can hinder growth. Ensuring you get enough vitamin C can significantly improve your hair's health and appearance. When considering vitamin C for hair growth, understanding the right dosage is key. Most adults aim for 75 to 90 milligrams daily, but higher amounts, up to 2,000 milligrams, are often well tolerated. Tablets are a popular and easy way to supplement. For optimal benefits, consider sustained release or buffered vitamin C forms, which can enhance absorption and reduce potential stomach upset. You can approach vitamin C for hair growth in two main ways, internally and topically. Taking tablets orally ensures your body gets the nutrient systemically, supporting hair from within. For a more direct approach, you can crush a tablet and mix it into your favorite shampoo or hair mask. Remember to do a patch test first to ensure no skin irritation occurs. To truly maximize the benefits of vitamin C for your hair, consistency is crucial. Pair your vitamin C intake with iron-rich foods, as these nutrients work synergistically. Remember, a balanced diet is fundamental for healthy hair. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional for tailored guidance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.